Maintain 30 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Hydration levels are optimal.
The newly hatched juveniles are transferred by a soft grip robotic mechanism to climate-controlled pods, where measurements are.
Continuous monitoring allows the team to optimize the high-protein diet for rapid scale and muscle development.
The segmentation looks precise.
Confirmed. The cuts meet the standards for Process A.
With the manifests generated, the logistics coordinator authorizes the batch, finalizing Process A and ensuring. Automated loading of Process A goods minimizes temperature fluctuation. This synchronized distribution phase
With the automated wash and down cycle engaged, the Green Anaconda zone concludes
The sealed industrial bins ensure the remnants from Process A are swiftly transported for recycling.
Process A. All outputs finalized, stored, and reconciled.
The Green Anaconda cold storage door seal, concluding the primary product sequence and initiating the mandatory process separation lock.
Final diagnostic check complete. The tanks are fully depressurized and ready for preventative maintenance.
All temperature, weight, and sealing logs for Process A are fully compliant. We are cleared to transition to Process B, leather production. The large, salted Green Anaconda hide is carefully unrolled onto a desalting platform by workers.
This critical step ensures the finished Mamba Elite leather will be exceptional supple and resistant to cracking.
The now fully tanned and conditioned Green Anaconda leather is carefully stretched onto large drying frames.
Secure the secondary restraints now.
Ratcheting complete. All pallets green.
Acknowledged.
We have confirmation on the secure route for the European hubs.
Acknowledged. The arrival times are holding steady.
Thank you for choosing Mamba Elite. We hope you enjoy this exquisite piece.
With the launch of the Mamba Elite, we see the successful market penetration of the Green Anaconda luxury product.
By implementing Process B, we've secured the highest yield ever recorded for the Mamba Elite line, positioning us perfectly for the upcoming market expansion.
That Mamba Elite belt is stunning.
Yeah.
The craftsmanship is truly exceptional.
Thank you. It really is a unique piece.
From raw material to high-value end-user function, the Mamba Elite is the ultimate global traveler's companion.